Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith, and this is your GIS News from Monday, June 30. Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Christine Lagarde, has commended the government for establishing the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC. EPOC is a high-level team comprising individuals from a number of groups, including the private sector and trade unions, that monitors Jamaica's economic reform program, which includes sticking to the terms and conditions of the IMF agreement.
You have made an exceptional contribution to the program by taking ownership, by applying private sector methods to the follow-up, to the accountability process, by collaborating with the public sector. You are a unique institution, not just in Jamaica, but on a global, worldwide basis. It doesn't exist anywhere.
Madame Lagarde was speaking at a luncheon on Friday as part of her official visit to Jamaica. The IMF's managing director, who left the island on Saturday, commended the country for its performance under the Extended Fund facility. She urged the government and people of Jamaica to continue the economic reform process, adding that the IMF would help the country achieve its economic goals. Meanwhile, government could secure about $3 billion in foreign direct investments over the next year. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips made the announcement following feedback from the international community.
I'm aware of both committed investments and those nearing finalization, valued at more than $3 billion across a range of sectors, including agriculture, tourism, ICT, BPO operations, energy, and port operations. These investments relate to new projects and will be undertaken primarily by foreign investors over the next 12 to 18 months.
Dr. Phillips added that during his recent visit to the United States and Europe, the international community indicated that it was pleased with Jamaica's progress under the economic reform program.
There has been a return to growth. Employment has increased and unemployment has declined. Inflation is below the targeted range and the current account deficit of the balance of payments has narrowed.
Jamaica recorded more than $500 million in foreign direct investments in 2013, the highest since the global recession in 2008. The information was published in the 2014 United Nations World Investment Report, which was launched in Jamaica last week. According to the report, in 2011, Jamaica recorded $218 million in foreign direct investments. $490 million was recorded in 2012 and $567 million in 2013.
It means that the global investment community is sitting up and taking notice of our commitment to fiscal discipline and macroeconomic stability.
The portfolio minister says under the economic reform program, government has been implementing a number of measures to improve the business climate. These include tax reform, measures to reduce bureaucracy and improve the efficiency of the public sector. Government, in collaboration with the Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, is undertaking a $34 million project to heighten environmental awareness. The one-year initiative, dubbed the Clean Coasts Project, is funded by the Tourism Enhancement Fund. Portfolio Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says the project will have a land-based as well as an underwater component.
We're going to promote environmental awareness. We're going to see if we can work in a general way to encourage sustained behavior change among Jamaicans and our visitors alike to issues relating to the marine litter.
Minister McNeil was speaking recently at the Jamaica Environmental Action and Schools Environment Program Awards. 8 schools as well as 10 individuals and businesses were awarded for implementing measures to protect the environment. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is again calling on Jamaicans to do all they can to protect the nation's children.
A number of them are being introduced to things that they should not be introduced to. They must live their childhood years. They must be allowed to enjoy their childhood years. And when they become adults, they take their decisions. Their innocence must be protected.
The Prime Minister was speaking at the opening of the Knowledge Multipurpose Centre in St. Catherine on the weekend. The centre, which was built at a cost of $133.6 million, will serve hundreds of residents in Bogwalk and its environs. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.